Hello students, welcome to my lecture in the standard 11. In this lecture, I will introduce to chapter number 1 of part 2, that is complex numbers. Up till now, you have been using the fact that root of any non-negative number can be determined. Thus the quadratic equation of the type. This is the quadratic equation of the type x square minus a square is equal to 0, where a belongs to R, means a is the number which is from the real number set, which could be solved. This is because every number was non-negative after squaring it. But consider the another type of the equation, that is x square plus a square is equal to 0 and a belongs to R. Then we have no real number which is negative after squaring. There is no real number after squaring it. Thus, to give the solution to such equations, we have invent the new number. Here the new number is, this new number is I. This is denoted by I. This I is called as a imaginary number. This new number was called as imaginary number. Everybody knew that I is not a real number. This imaginary number is defined to be, this imaginary number is defined to be I is equal to root of minus 1 with I square is equal to minus 1. We have the imaginary number, that is I is equal to root of minus 1 with I square is equal to minus 1. Why we need the complex numbers? What can you say about the equation that like x square plus a square is equal to 0? Suppose another equation is like that x square plus a square is equal to 0. Another equation is, suppose x square plus 1 is equal to 0. There is no solution in the set of a real number. For this equation, there is no solution for this because there is no number in the real set, that is because the real number set is not extended for this solution. Therefore, we extend the set of real numbers to a larger set which would include such solutions. For this we can include or introduce. For this we introduce the symbol. What is the symbol? Which is I. How it is? Such that I is equal to root of minus 1 and I square is equal to minus 1. This I is called as imaginary number, or it is called as a imaginary root. Okay. The mathematician Euler was first mathematician to introduce the symbol I with I is equal to root of minus 1 and I square is equal to minus 1. Definition of this imaginary number. What is the definition of imaginary number? A number of the form, a number of the for k into I, where k belongs to R, where k belongs to R and k not equal to 0, and I is equal to root of minus 1 is called imaginary number. What are the imaginary number? Imaginary numbers are of the form k into I, where k belongs to R and k not equal to 0, where I is equal to minus 1 is called imaginary number. Next, we see what are the properties of the imaginary number. Properties. There are the number I satisfies the following properties. That is, first property, properties of the imaginary number I. Okay, and first property is I into 0 becomes 0. Second property is if A belongs to R, then root of minus of A square is equal to root of I square A square, and that's equal to plus or minus I into A. Third property is if A, B, these are the two numbers which are belonging to the real number set, and A into I is equal to B into I, then A is equal to B. Next point, we see the complex numbers. What are the complex numbers? First, we see the new number, that is the imaginary number, and then we see what are the complex numbers. A number of the form, a number of the form A plus I into B, where A comma B belongs to R and I is equal to root of minus 1, with I square is equal to minus 1, is called a complex number, a number of the form. What form? A plus I into B, where A and B are belongs to R and I is equal to root of minus 1 with I square is equal to minus 1 is called a complex number. This complex number is denoted by Z. It is denoted by Z, or you may be denoted by C or this like this symbol. Okay, usually denoted by only Z. Therefore, Z is equal to A plus I into B. In this complex number, Z is equal to A plus I, B. A is called as real part of the complex number, real part of Z. Okay, and denoted by R E of Z, or only simply R of Z. that is real part of Z. Real part of Z. And B is called as imaginary part of Z. It is denoted by Im of Z or I of Z. The set of complex numbers is what is the set of the complex number? The set of complex numbers is denoted by C. Therefore, C is equal to, in the curly bracket, A plus I into B such that A, B belongs to R and I is equal to under root of minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1 and curly bracket closed. Okay students, in the next lecture we have to study about the equality of the complex number. Thank you.